Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm about to show you a Rockwood. And if you know anything about Rockwood, you know that they are made well. So this fiberglass Rockwood is a 2024. It is a bunkhouse. So if you're looking for a fantastic RV, a fiberglass bunkhouse, and not only that, they just did a price drop and it's under 40,000, and I'm super excited to show you guys. But if that's what you're looking for, this is the RV to look at. But let's take a look from the outside in as usual. So let's go. Alright, so we got our Rockwood Ultra Light. It is model 2616BH. We have 3 slides on this side. And I don't know if you know about Funtown RV, but when you do make a purchase, we provide the propane tanks and the battery at no extra cost to you guys, so that's fantastic. You see that we have on the front and the back the leveling as well, which is so necessary. I mean, I love having that leveling. It does help quite a bit. You've got your long awning. This one does have 2 doors as well, so exciting. We also have the backup camera prep, so that's nice. Plus the ladder is included with this unit. All right, so of course you can hook up your TV out here as well. You got your LP Connect, so you can have that barbecue out here and just enjoy everything underneath the awning. But let's take a look inside. All right, so right away, the space that you have in this unit is just, it's a lot of space. So you got your theater seating right here, right across from your entertainment. You've got a bar or breakfast table here with lots of space for you to have. You know, you can put this up, put it down, however you want to put it, but it gives you that extra counter space. You've got lots of storage space as well. So you've got a nice big sink, 3 burner, your oven, and you got your microwave as well. Again, lots of counter space over here. So maybe you're not sitting up here, but you can still use this counter space to cut up your onions, to cut up your any of the food that you're about to make. You've got enough area to do that on this side and on that side. So that does definitely make it nice. And then you've got a nice big fridge, and this is the one that opens up from both sides. Plenty of room here, plenty of room in your freezer. Nice and big, and I'm just going to show you because this is one that I love these fridges, and I'm sure you've seen them in a lot of my videos, but very neat. So if you're over here, you can come through and grab through whatever you need in the fridge, but if you're over here on this side as well, it does make it nice. So right to the right, we've got our master bedroom, and it is, as you can see, quite big as well. You've got plenty of storage over here. Hang up clothes, put up clothes, and then you've got your side tables as well. And then you can walk on both sides. You've got that nice big window in the back, and then storage above as well. And this is, of course, where your other door is at. So once you open, once you settle wherever you're at, you open that, put your those are nice sturdy stairs, put those down, and you've got all that space. Your entertainment can go right up there as well. And then you've got this nice big sliding barn door right here. I love it. I love barn doors. I love those pocket doors. It really does save room. Over here we've got some more storage. And I feel like with an RV, you just have to have a lot of storage. All right, and this shower is, the whole bathroom itself is just a really nice big with natural light coming in. I love that. A nice big bathroom. Plenty of space here. And then right through here, with the privacy curtain, you've got your bunkhouse. Now, this can be not only a bunkhouse, it could be a den. You can use it for many things. This can go up, and then of course this can go into a bed as well. And then you've got a place for more storage. So very nice. Plus you can put your entertainment over here. You got little cubbies, and then storage. And this is thick. This is really nice. So what do you guys think of this little unit? I absolutely love it. So if you're wanting to, you know, get out there, not have something so big, maybe you've got a smaller towing capacity, this is going to be a great unit because one, the fiberglass makes it lighter, and two, it's nice and short, so you can still pull it, not having that heavy weight, but also it's a rockwood, so it's definitely going to be built to last. And it's got a bunkhouse. So, I mean, everything that you could need is in this unit. So what do you guys think? If you want more information, please feel free to reach out. Call, text, email, come and see me at Funtown RV in Waco. Ask for Rachel. Would love to help you out. All right, but until next time.